Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Just minutes ago, a severe thunderstorm watch was issued through central Illinois. This does not really include our immediate area. You got to get up here around Danville and Champaign. These are the only two counties, Vermilion County, Champaign County in Illinois. That's it. Nobody down here. There's some storms firing up to the west. They're going to move off to the east-northeast, and they might clip the areas around Danville or Champaign late tonight, but right now it looks like it's not going to be an impact for us. And if we see anything here, most likely it's going to be north of I-70 and late tonight as a warm front brushes through the area. So, but just wanted to let you know, way up to the northwest, we do have technically a severe thunderstorm watch in effect. 86 degrees our high today, 65 the low. Look at this, spot on. We're right where we should be this time of the year. 101 the record high, 47 is your record low. No rainfall. We've gone Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday with mostly dry weather across all of the valley, and the river in Terre Haute slowly falling at 20.2. It's forecast to go below flood stage probably in about a week, so it's still going to be up there for a while in Terre Haute. Sunrise tomorrow, 6:37, goes down at 9:15. That gives us 14 hours and 38 minutes of daylight for tomorrow. At the airport in Terre Haute tonight, we're at 85. A little bit of a heat index, 89. That's going to be a big factor the next 3 days, though, because the winds are changing over to the southeast. Remember, yesterday north, well, now we're southeast, and that's going to bring the heat and humidity back. Temperatures in the mid-80s all across the valley right now. And as you look at the dew point numbers, they're inching up closer to 70 in some places. They will be in the 70s tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. So you're really going to feel the heat and humidity as we head for the next 3 days. The heat and humidity coming from the south, moving into this area, and that's what we're looking at. That's the focus of our forecast tonight, is the heat down here as it expands to the north. I talked about some thunderstorms developing out to the west-northwest of this area. Here's what it looks like. You'll see them firing up here in northern Missouri, and the track on those is going to be kind of to the east and northeast. So these storms are going to track north of the area, but if you look real close, you'll see a little bit of development down around Kansas City area trying to form. Some of those might brush the northern half of the area. This would be probably after 2 or 3 in the morning as the warmer air advances to the north. So we can't rule out a storm, especially in the northern areas later tonight, but it does not look like anything significant here in this area. The warm front will move through overnight, and that's what might spark a few of the showers or storms overnight. And then tomorrow, the big story is going to be the heat. Again, can't rule out a scattered storm popping up, but the focus is going to be on the heat and humidity. This is one of those cases where you need to slow down, take it easy out there. Saturday, the heat is the big story as well, and it will continue to be that way even on Sunday. Heat wave alert for the valley. This is the heat index we have forecast for tomorrow, 105. Remember, that's in the shade. 110 on Saturday. Probably peaks on Saturday, but pretty close to that on Sunday. Slow down, take it easy. Don't forget the pets. This is going to be an extended period, 3 days in a row, with the heat index values up there pretty high, well over 100 it looks like for the valley. How about rainfall? Well, we don't see a whole lot of that. There'll be a cluster of storms that fire up here in northwestern Illinois tonight. You'll see the bullseye right there. And again, we can't rule out a thunderstorm in maybe our northern areas, but notice basically all the way through the weekend, we don't see a whole lot of rain in the forecast. Most of it will come with the front, but that will be Sunday night as the front comes in, and then behind it looks like some better weather as we head for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. So here's your forecast for tonight then. Again, can't rule out a thunderstorm late tonight, especially the northern half of the area. Otherwise, not a bad night. 72, it'll be warm. Then for tomorrow, the story is the heat and humidity. 92, the heat index 105, and again, maybe a pop-up storm here or there. For tomorrow night, it stays warm and muggy. We drop down to 75, and the heat and humidity continue to be the story for the weekend. Heat index of around 110 on Saturday, 108 on Sunday. Better chance of storms late Sunday, Monday along the cold front, but behind that, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week look to be okay with more dry weather back in the valley. But this is one of those cases where you really want to take it easy. It's going to get pretty hot and humid next 3 days.
Oh yeah, 90s, they're back.
Yes, they are.
And so are the Terre Haute Wrecks, the hottest team in the process.